The line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. The angle of elevation of the point viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is above the horizontal level. That is, the case when we raise our head to look at the object. The angle of depression of a point on the object being viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point is below the horizontal level. That is, the case when we lower our head to look at the point being viewed. To find CD, we would need to know the following. 1. The distance DE at which the student is standing from the foot of the minar. 2. The angle of elevation, angle BAC, of the top of the minar. 3. The height AE of the student. Tangent A equals BC over AB, or cotangent A equals AB over BC. It will give us BC by adding AE to BC. We will get the height of the minar.